Mastering the present perfect continuous tense. Regular verbs in action. Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delving into an exciting part of English grammar, the present perfect continuous tense of regular verbs. Specifically, we'll focus on how to form and use affirmative sentences in this tense. Let's dive in. First off, let's recap what the present perfect continuous tense is. This tense is used to show that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time, or to highlight the duration of an action that's still going on. The structure is quite straightforward. It's formed with the subject plus have, has been plus the ing form, present participle, of the verb. For regular verbs, the present participle is formed by simply adding ing to the base form of the verb. For example, the verb work becomes working, and play becomes playing. Now, let's move on to affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are simply statements that express a fact or a positive action. In the present perfect continuous tense, we can construct affirmative sentences like this. For I, you, we, they, use have been plus verb ing. Example: I have been working on this project for 3 hours. For he, she, it, use has been plus verb ing. Example: she has been playing the piano since she was 5. Remember, these sentences emphasize the duration or continuity of the action, not just the action itself. The best way to master this tense is by practicing. Try to construct your own sentences using the present perfect continuous tense with different regular verbs. You can even comment them down below, and we'll give you some feedback. And that wraps up our lesson for today. Remember, practice makes perfect, especially when it comes to mastering the present perfect continuous tense in English. Keep working on those affirmative sentences, and soon it will become second nature. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.